Hi, you're an online coach, you're a course creator, you're a consultant, and you want to make a transformation for your clients, right? That's what everybody does. So you've decided to put together an online course. And in doing that, you want to transform your clients into the stellar, amazing human beings that they want to be. You're not going to do it with this kind of video. So let's talk about that. Hi, I'm Sam Groff, and I'm the owner of OmniBiz Services, which helps you create 5-star review courses that generate recurring revenue and really does create transformations for your clients. How do we do that? Let's talk about that. So, why am I generating a video that is not a transformational video? It's not even really a marketing video. It's an explanation video or an educational piece of the puzzle. What I do is I help people, like online course creators, actually teach. That's that key missing piece for a lot of online courses. You generate your beta, you run through it with the first round, and they have amazing results. And you want to know why? Drum roll. It's because you're there walking them through it every step of the way. They're your beta, they're your babies, they're a test, they're your minimum viable product, and you want the best results because you want the best testimonials. So you're there giving them everything you've got every step of the way. And as you do that, you are creating a transformation for those people. And remember, transformation is simply put, it is a spontaneous change of one element from a nuclear process or a dramatic change in form or appearance. Now, mind you, those are two very much so dictionary style definitions. But the reality is, you are creating change because you're there with them. The videos you produce in your online course aren't what's going to create the transformational change for your clients. What's going to create the transformational change for your clients is the blended learning environment that you're creating for them. It is creating really stellar, strong educational videos like this one that is going to provide you with information to be a better course creator. Then, when you meet with your clients, you're then going to have a leg up. Your clients will have that leg up because they will have learned about the pieces of the puzzle that you're going to talk more about in those one-on-one calls or in those group coaching calls. So if you aren't creating strong instructional videos like this one, you're not going to be creating information that they can consume to come to you with a greater understanding of where they're going. So, when you're looking at creating your online course, think past your beta, think past your minimum viable product. How are you going to formulate your course to make it successful and not burn you out? And one of the ways to do that is creating solid educational materials. These are not the coaching calls that you had during your beta version. It is literally creating solid educational information through videos that aren't just a talking head like I am right now. They can have PowerPoints, they can have other video and artistic capabilities with them to keep your client interested. But they're really providing your client with the resources and materials necessary to be able to create that transformation so that when they get on those calls, that's where they're able to transform because they already understand the basics of what you're going to be providing them. And when you provide them those strong basics, you create a strong foundation for learning, and then they are able to blossom, grow, build that house, however you want to look at that analogy, and they'll be able to rocket ship out of the place they're in and really provide you with that solid testimonial and recurring revenue, because once you've provided that transformation for them, they want that next thing. They want to grow with you because now you've shown them that they can do it, and you have to be ready with the next phase. But that's down the road. Right now, what I really want you to think about is as you're creating your transformational experiences, make sure they're not just the same videos of the calls that you've had with your clients during your beta. Your new clients, Your scalable clients deserve better from you. So if any of this resonates with you, and if you're interested in learning how to do this better for yourself, do me a favor. Go to omnibusservices.com and check our website out. And if not, and you don't like websites, feel free to find me on LinkedIn or follow us on YouTube, whatever works best for you, because frankly, it's where you are that matters. And where you are and where you're choosing to learn is exactly what you have to think about for your clients. Until next time, folks, I'm Sam Groff of Omnibus Services. Here's to creating transformational 5-star reviews for your business that create you recurring revenue from your online course. Bye.